Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable transparency mode for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. So basically we have two options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. So let's get started by use the application, and these earbuds have touch areas at the back side, so right here at the top, and on the sides. And we need to use this touch area, what located on the sides. And by default, you can control it only with the right earbud. But then I will show you how to edit for the left earbud. Now let's get started with the application. You need to open HUAWEI AI Life app. And you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list, and you need to tap at your earbuds. And right here we have ambient sound control. So to enable transparency mode, you need to put at least one your earbud to the charging case, and then tap at the awareness. We just enable it. To disable it, you need to or swap to ANC or to the normal mode. Now let's get started by use the gestures, and you need to press and hold at the touch area on the side your right earbud. So let's check it. Firstly, you will swap to ANC from normal mode, and then you press and hold again and you will swap to transparency. Now with gesture you cannot swap to the normal mode, you will swap to ANC, as you can see, but we can also change it. So you need to scroll down in this menu and go to gesture control. Now we can add this feature only for the press and hold for this side touch area. And firstly, if you want to add it for the left earbud, you need to tap at the left earbud line and select ANC. And if you want to swap to the normal mode, you need to also click at the offline right here when you selected ANC. So let's check it. As we swap to normal mode, ANC, then transparency, and then normal mode. Yes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!